A simple 2x2 portal door by request from a user on our server. This is a demo style I set up. I'll be going through a bit of a walkthrough here on its design. To keep from messing up our pretty public display model, I copy and pasted this into one of my test labs, and I'll do a short walk around, show general basics of how it works. And with this design here, I tried to go with a balance between complexity and size. Overall, it's not too terrible, I don't think, for most people who have experience working with redstone, and should fit into most building projects rather easily if you just plan a little ahead. As we roll around here, as you can see, there's plates up on the threshold, which when stepped on powers this redstone. The delays are needed to help keep it a little more stable and give you enough time to walk through the portal without clipping and crushing you. And do note there's one on each side. I have them set to the default 1 tick delay. Seems to work good on our SMP server here. And of course, to keep everything closed up, we have redstones that are always on and dropped when the power is flipped through the plates. Of odd note is how our repeater here powers the block, which flips the state of our redstone torch here, which powers this block, which activates the piston and keeps it open. On the other side, we sneak signal off of that powered block and just run it up to the top block up here. And somewhat similar over here, we just have it branching off to hit our bottom piston, and again sneak it up around the side to hit our other side piston. Shouldn't be too much of a hassle for moderate redstone designers here to pick up, modify, and generally find other nifty ways to mess around with portal type doors. Also of note, I do not have an actuated switch on the other side. Right now it's just a one-way, but it should not be too hard for most people to figure out how they want to toggle it. Generally, I like to keep my pressure plates on the inside of a structure, and then have toggles or other switches on the outside to prevent mobs from entering.